Let's Tour Jamaica.
Let's Tour Jamaica. Remember, guys, if you're visiting Jamaica and you're not with Let's Tour Jamaica, you're missing out. Yeah, man, taking out the Sensi crew today. Awesome experience. Yeah, man.
So look out for new content.
Yeah, man, say Let's Tour Jamaica. Come on.
Hi.
No, you have to say Let's Tour Jamaica.
Oh, Let's Tour Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Come to me, bro.
Come in, Peanut. So Let's Tour Jamaica.
Yo, you don't know, sir. Let's tour Jamaica, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yo, come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, man. Here goes another day at the beautiful Blue Hole. Yeah, man. With Let's Tour Jamaica, we give you more of everything. More fun, more laughter, more activities, and more of everything. Yeah, man. This is Jamaica, guys. Yeah, man. Choose Let's Tour Jamaica for tours and excursion in the Sunshine Paradise, Jamaica. The place for fun and making beautiful memories is only with Let's Tour Jamaica. Hey Kim, I get to understand getting a lot of rain, so I'm sending you some beautiful views from this beautiful river in Jamaica. When you're visiting Jamaica, guys, choose Let's Tour Jamaica for tours and excursion, and we will take you to the sites where you'll have fun, make beautiful memories, and want to revisit Jamaica. This is Jamaica, guys. Getting on the cruise ship and you need advice and tips, you can also get in touch with Let's Tour Jamaica. We at Let's Tour Jamaica, we will take care of you like family. Yeah, man. One love to everyone. Just sending you some sunshine. Have a beautiful day today. Make the most of your day. And I'll see you in the Sunshine Paradise, Jamaica. Have a good day today, guys. If you're not getting any sunshine, I'm sending you some. Enjoy your day. If you haven't been to this site as yet, you need to visit this site. This is a beautiful site. And here you'll have nothing but fun, and more fun. So if you're visiting Jamaica, choose Let's Tour Jamaica, and we'll make the most of your vacation, making sure that you have a good time. One love. Enjoy your day today. Yeah, man. Let's Tour Jamaica! Yeah, man!
Yeah, man!